Hello and welcome back to our Solar Street Lights series. Today, we're diving into an essential topic: maintenance tips to keep your solar street lights running efficiently. Proper maintenance is key to maximizing the performance and lifespan of your solar street lights. Tip 1. Regularly clean the solar panels. Dust and dirt can accumulate, reducing the light-absorbing capacity. A simple wipe with a damp cloth can make a significant difference. Tip 2. Check the battery regularly. Ensure it's functioning correctly and replace it if needed. A healthy battery is crucial for storing and providing power. Tip 3. Inspect the LED lights for any signs of damage or malfunction. Replace faulty bulbs promptly to maintain consistent illumination. Tip 4. Keep the surroundings clear. Trim any overhanging branches or obstructions to ensure the solar panels receive maximum sunlight. Remember, regular maintenance can extend the life of your solar street lights and ensure they continue to shine brightly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more solar street light insights.